no room for mistake. I kept my distance, no trust in their kind, but the shift kept changing my stubborn mind. Oh, Cobot friend, you're not my foe. Together we make the factory glow. You lift the heavy, you share the load. Now the skeptic's heart has overflowed. One day the welds lined up just right. I watched in awe as sparks took flight. They didn't replace me, they gave me control. A team with a rhythm, a shared common goal. A new peace of mind. Oh, Cobot friend, you're not my foe. Together we make the factory glow. You lift the heavy, you share the load. Now the skeptic's heart has overflowed. The heavy, you share.